Well, good afternoon and welcome to Match Fishing in Spain. You join me, my name's Ian Brown and we're at El Bosquet and we've got a guest.
Hello.
Hello, and what's your name?
George.
George. This is my grandson George Brown. We're just having a couple of hours up at El Bosque. We've got very limited tattle, we've got no maggots. All we've got is a bit of ground bait, some pellets and some corn. And we're on peg 40. There's a lot of people fishing up the top end there, you can probably see them. We just settled on peg 40. We've just lobbed a cage feeder out and he's got, he's fishing on pellet at the moment. I will throw a rod out as well. I think I'll throw it to my right. And we'll just try and see if we can catch anything. If we get any action, we'll film it. Right, well, we've been fishing about 15 minutes. And George has had a bite. I think I'll land this fish, George. You get the landing net. So you don't need this. No. We're having a disaster here. You still got him? Oh. Right. We've had a bit of a disaster, obviously. We've still got the fish on, and George is going to get the net. Right, so I'll hold the net about there, a bit further out. Right, we'll see where the fish is. He's over here somewhere, he's coming in. We caught this on a single grain of corn, George, was it? And just a cage feeder. And it's a decent fish, it's a decent carp. Put that. And then when we get the fish near it, George. Right, new bit. Up, lift up. Good lad.
We got him.
We've got him. So, we knocked the camera over, we knocked all the bait over. Had a bit of a disaster really. But we've got the carp, let's see if we can get him in. That's up him in. Oh, we caught him proper there. We need a disgorger. How many? Got a disgorger here. There's the carp. We've got to put him back in. Well done, George. 1-0 to George. There you go. Hey. Nah, I believe there somewhere. Keep hold it there, George. So we've thrown it in again. Oh, well, we did have a fish. And in fact, I think it's broken. So it's not broken, no, it's just come on. Oh dear. Never mind. Well, as you can see, we're a little we've been in. We've lost our catapult, amongst other things. Watch what you're doing with that. Watch you don't catch your line. You've got to come over that rock. That's it. Leave it there. Leave it there. But eventually I've had well, I've got a fish on, and it's a decent fish actually. Just leave it there, you know, don't move it. George is in charge of netting. I've been in charge of diving. Fishing a method feeder as opposed, oh, here comes George, as opposed to George who's fishing a cage feeder. Come in, let's go. Oh, oh, and he's got it. Oh, well done. See, another carp. George doesn't want to touch him. Are you sure?
No.
Watch out, where are you going? Right, we've been here about, how long have we been here? Just over an hour. We're now getting lots of bites. We've both caught one fish. I've lost 2 fish that have come off, and George has lost 1 fish. We're getting a lot more bites now. Unfortunately, we've lost the catapult, so we've no catapult, so we're just relying on, I'm fishing a method feeder, George is fishing a open-ended feeder. He's fishing corn, I'm fishing wafters. He's insistent that we throw in front now, even though he's caught down here, because he says he's seen some fish down there, and I'm just throwing it to my right. So hopefully we'll catch a few more fish. If we do, we'll get the camera going. You in charge of the net, or do you want to land the fish?
No, I'm charging you.
Alright, well, so this, it's not a bad one. It's on your rod. Ready? Ooh, it is a big one. This is rather big broad. Just leave the net there and I'll guide it to the net. Keep the net there. Oh, you're moving net. Oh, I've got one on as well.
We've both got
We've
one.
both got one on. Right, hang on. Oh, I'm stuck in tree. I won't lose all that. Oh, we'll be losing that. Right. Ready? Push the net out. Out further. Yeah, push the net in. Lift it up. 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 Right. Just roll that there a minute. Let me see where we're up to with this. Stuck in that tree, I think. Oh, it's coming out.
Two fish at once.
Still on, but it's under that tree. Just leave that there.
I'm giving him some water to sterilize him.
He's okay. Right. You hold this rod now with 2 hands. 2 hands. Use your pole. people.
Oh,
This is your fish. Oh!
okay, I think we should just leave him.
We can't just leave it. We've got to take him into net because we have to get the other one in.
Right.
You hold that minute.
Okay, I'll
Hold it. I don't know what we're going to have to do. We're in the unenviable position here of having two fish, one net. You'll have to hold that for a minute. Just hold it for a minute. Like that. No, two hands. Grab the test one. So we've got that one off. Put that one back. Well done. We got him. Right, you ready with this one? Where is he? He's been everywhere, this one, hasn't he? He's been eating tree and everything. He's still going. Oh, that's all right right there now. Oh, this is disastrous. I've lost track now. Too far out now, come a bit closer in. Watch that rod. Ready? Oh, he's a big fish. Watch the rod stuck, so don't pull anywhere. Just hold that. Hold that one. Very nice fish. Oh.
Come back.
Oh, it's one going in the net. Wait a minute. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Right. Put that rod down. Oh, don't just let it go in the water. Because I put it down, I meant somewhere safe, like that. And then we'll show this fish, which is a lovely fish. Look at the size of that one. And we'll put him back, and then we'll try and get everything back to normal.
Yeah.
Yeah? Put him back. There we
Oh,
go.
not the corn.
Oh, we've knocked the corn over. We've had a total disaster. But we've caught some fish. Oh, we've knocked all the corn over. See, this is what happens when you don't bring your proper fishing tackle. We forgot our towel, we're using a sock. Been in the water, everything's going wrong. But we're still fishing and we're still enjoying ourselves. Well, I think that's it. We've managed 2 hours. And he's fed up now, he's found his toffees. He's had enough. It's been eventful to say the least. We've had 4 carp in 2 hours. I say we only came for a few hours. It's not a full day's fishing or anything like that. But it just goes to show, come with the basic stuff. It's a slobber feeder, he's lobbed corn, I've lobbed a a method feeder, and we've had 4 fish, and we've lost umpteen fish, and to be honest we've been messing about. We've lost our catapult, we forgot our maggots, lots of things gone wrong, but he's had a good time. Have you had a good time, George?
Yeah.
See, he's had a good time, but he's fed up now. I think the swimming pool is calling, really. I think that's his main problem. So we're going to wrap it up now, but thanks for watching.